So let's start by taking a big breath in. Inhale. Hold for 2 counts. And exhale. Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Antonetti, and I'm here tonight to guide you on a meditation, practicing mindfulness. And when we meditate, we focus in on either the sound of our breath or the sounds that are around us. See if you could let your body become more relaxed. Maybe open your mouth, take a big yawn. Maybe it's been a long week. So meditation can bring you a lot of peace. It can bring you relaxation. But if that doesn't happen in the beginning, it's okay. See, anything you do, you need to practice. That's why we call it a meditation practice and not a meditation perfect. And if thoughts arise in your mind, it's okay. Just come back to either anchoring in using your breath or focusing in on sound. So I have a favorite saying that I like to remind myself of, and maybe this will help you too. See, you are the sky, and everything else is just the weather. How does the sunset make you feel? How does focusing in on your breath make you feel? The sounds of nature. Because what we're trying to do is we're just trying to train ourselves and to practice to bring awareness and mindfulness into our lives. Practicing having total attention on one thing. And maybe that will bring you more peace. Maybe it will bring you more relaxation. So just try to sit up as tall as you can. Roll the shoulders down the back. Softly scan the body. Notice if there's any areas of tension. And if you do have areas of tension, that you've discovered. Maybe just try to wiggle that area around a little bit. That might help. Maybe come back to focusing in on the breath or the sound or the sight. Take a big breath in, inhale, and exhale. Maybe wiggle your fingers and your toes. Slowly start to feel your body come back. Take a big breath in and exhale. And I hope you enjoyed the meditation.